in this. Oh, it's not just pretty neat. It's very neat. Go ahead, see for yourself. Ta-da! Well, there's nothing in here. What? Oh, Beaver! Stop right there. I'm Inspector Beaver. I've been on your trail for weeks. I think you might know something about the missing